there will be a national shutdown to call for the removal of Cyril Ramaphosa from office if the Speaker, in collaboration with him, does not accede to the basic demands of accountability and transparency. We're not asking for the sky here, and we must completely rubbish the claims by Ramaphosa that there's an attempt to intimidate or provoke him as trying to make himself a victim when he's the one who said he's going to be a transparent and accountable president post the Jacob Zuma era. We're simply calling for accountability, and there will be protest action to make sure that happens.
As I say, it is regrettable that, in fact, the impression is that Parliament only woke up when things were now really bad. And for that, we must apologize to the South African people. So that decision of the court has actually empowered Parliament to begin to do things properly, to respect the space of the Chapter 9 institutions, to respect the courts, but also to insist that it understands its mandate better and must execute.
Whenever he was called to question, he has answered, he submitted, he's acquitted himself. Even now, he is submitting himself. What worries me about is that people don't want to judge him on the historic record. They want to judge him on what they do not know.